Hi guys. Good, how are you? What's the matter? You guys are doing great. Is it? Oh, that might. Yeah, go for it. Good job. You want to peel it and see if there's corn inside? You can peel the top. You don't have to peel it all the way off. Just open it up a little.
This is yolk is hard. I think it.
The yolk?
Well, this stuff is hard.
Is there corn? See how cute the ducks are? Yeah.
Yep, there's corn.
All right.
Hey, Soy. So what did you do today? What was your thing you had to do?
Clean my mouse's cage.
Clean your mouse. What's your mouse's name?
Scabbers.
Scabbers, that's right. That's the mouse from Harry Potter, right?
Yeah.
There he is, little Scabs. And there's the clean cage. Good job, buddy. High five. All right. Have fun. We'll go see what the girls over here are doing. Oh, there he is. Hi, Mobe.
Ready to go back
It's the
in
big
your
guy, Moby. All right, have fun. Here we are in the garden. There is my love. What you doing, sweets? Ooh, look at that.
Look, honey.
All right, we did get a tomato.
Our first one.
All right, so there's some more cucumber, corn, zucchini. There's another corn.
I'm trying to see if they're ready to be picked. I think it's when these tassels are brown like this.
We had such a late winter, we weren't sure that anything was going to grow.
Look.
But look at that. That is good. But our garden went crazy, especially with zucchini. And our corn went nuts. We left on vacation. And we didn't think anything was going to grow. And then we came back and it was just going crazy. So thank you, Lord. He has blessed our garden amazingly.
So I feel overwhelmed with how to process all of this. But if we don't pick it, then it's just going to get too big and overgrown. So I think we should just pick everything that's ready. And then we can always stick it in the fridge.
Exactly. We can figure out how to do it all.
Part of me wants to just leave most of it in the garden till I have enough time set aside to process it, but I think we need to just pick it, otherwise it gets like...
Yeah, it's so huge you can't even really eat that.
Yeah.
It's not good. Let's show you our pumpkins and then we'll get to harvesting. So last year we had a lot more pumpkins. These ones kind of were, again, late in the season, but we got a few. There's a big one over there, medium guy. There's another big. And then there's one more somewhere in here. I don't know where it went. But anyway, we have about 4. Last year I think we had 6 to 8. So we didn't get as many this year, but we got some, so we're happy about that. Oh, and there's our beets. I didn't mention those earlier. We have beets and carrots. So yeah, we're gonna have a fun day. We'll show you when it's all done what we got and what we're gonna do with it maybe. And yeah, thanks.
Like this?
Yeah, but get lower down.
Like this?
Lower.
Like this?
Put your hands low.
Like,
He
watch,
put his
Tucker,
body lower.
Like, get really low down and just pull it up.
Oh my
Whoa,
gosh!
look at that
Our
beet.
first beet. Wow, that's so good, Tucker. Thanks, sweetie.
Can I take the rest?
Sure, go for it. If
Oh,
you
there's
enjoy.
the little pumpkin I was trying to...
Oh yeah. That one grew like
I
overnight.
know, that was huge.
Get the whole plant down at the bottom.
Is this the whole plant?
I think so. Yep. Whoa!
Whoa, looks like
Good
a
job.
radish.
This is huge.
I know you're.
What do you do with beets?
Two.
Oh, I got 2 plants.
Okay, now we're not going to try to pick those anymore. That was just an accident.
So how do we pick
What?
corn?
So many beans.
All right, I'll see if there's any more corn and show you
Corn
how.
might be all picked.
Aw.
But you can look for some green beans, look for some zucchini, and
But
look for some
how
cucumber.
would you guys pick the corn? How did you? They smell like
Hey, so we are... Hey, Ken, can you come shut this gate? Done harvesting for now. We'll have another harvest.
Although, I don't know if it's going to work in the wheelbarrow because the wheels are spread out.
Can you move this so that we can...
But how much do you know the wheelbarrow is?
We're going to have to weigh it.
Okay. That's good. Just let zero out. All right, there we go.
Kennedy, what's the weight?
267.
267.
It was going up though.
All right, that's good enough. I'll write that down. A quarter cup? Yeah. All right, the girls are making brownies to bring to Grandma and Grandpa's house for supper tonight. I am making my first ever batch of pickles. And Honey is slicing some corn and cut up some green beans for supper tonight. All right, the brownies are done. They look delicious. The girls are making some hummingbird nectar. We haven't done that since the beginning of summer, and the hummingbirds have been complaining loudly. And we just had a few good carrots from the garden. Weird size, weird design. So I just chopped them up and I'm gonna dehydrate them to use in soups in the winter, which is what I did with a lot of our zucchini. And our side dish for supper is all done.
Thanks for hanging out this time, and we'll see you next time. Bye.